The tomb of Nur Jahan is a 17th century mausoleum in Lahore, Pakistan, that was built for the Mughal Empress Nur Jahan. The tomb's marble was plundered during the Sikh era in 18th century for use at the Golden Temple in Amritsar. The red sandstone mausoleum, along with the nearby tomb of Jahangir, tomb of Asif Khan, and Akbari Sar, forms part of an ensemble of Mughal monuments in Lahore's Shahdra Bagh. The mausoleum is located in Shahdra Bagh, across the river Ravi from Lahore. The tomb is part of an ensemble of nearby monuments, including the tomb of Jahangir, Akbari Sar, as well as the tomb of Asif Khan. Nur Jahan's tomb was separated from the other monuments by open fields, which were later interrupted by construction of the Lahore-Peshawar railway line during the British era. Mehran Nissa, bestowed with the title Nur Jahan, meaning light of the world, was the fourth child of Asmat Begum and her husband Mirza Ghias Beg, who had both immigrated from Persia. She was first married at the age of 17 to a Persian adventurer named Sher Afghan Ali Quli Khan Istajlu, who was renowned for his brilliant military career, and from whom she bore a daughter, Ladli Begum, before he died in 1607. Her father served the Mughal Emperor Akbar, who bestowed him with the title of Itimadur-Daulah, pillar of the state, while her brother Asif Khan served her next husband, the Emperor Jahangir. Nur Jahan was the most powerful Mughal empress. The tomb was built on a podium, in the Takhtgah style, in which the podium serves as the takht, or throne. With a platform measuring 158 square feet, the tomb is in the shape of a square and measures 124 feet on each side and is 19.6 feet high. Minarets may previously have risen from the corners of the mausoleum, similar to the nearby tomb of Jahangir. Having survived Jahangir by 18 years, she died at the age of 68 years, and much of the mausoleum was most probably constructed during her lifetime. The tomb took 4 years to complete at the cost of rupees 3 lakhs. Following the ascent of Shah Jahan to the Mughal throne, she was provided a yearly allowance of 200,000 rupees. As with the tomb of Asif Khan, Nur Jahan's tomb was stripped of its ornamental stones and marble during the occupation of Lahore by the army of Ranjit Singh. Much of the materials were used to decorate the Golden Temple in Amritsar. The Shahdra ensemble of monuments, including the Nur Jahan tomb, suffered under British rule when a railway line was built between the tombs of Asif Khan and Nur Jahan. The tomb underwent minor repairs but is slated for major restoration. The tomb stands in the center of a Persian-style charbagh. The original garden no longer survives, but once included tulips, roses, and jasmine.